Geez, I didn't think I had to make a video this fast again. But we had some action in the DeFi world, and I want to update you on some of our positions in this journey. Now, before we start, I want to make a disclaimer again: is that you should not follow my trades. A lot of people are mentioning in the comments that they want to follow everything I do and just follow whatever I do. Please do not follow my trades because this is all time based. When I get into a trade, it may be a day before you see it on video, so please do not follow my trade, and you will likely to lose your money if you do. All right. With that said, if you guys want to get access to this spreadsheet here that documents all my trades, it's only available to my Patreon supporters. So please head over to Patreon and pledge a little money for my journey because it will help me with creating content like this. I'm putting up $1,000 of my own money just to see where that can go. All right. So let's get started. What happened? Well, before the last video, I made a couple of moves. So first, I saw the news on Twitter is that Binance will list Trader Joe on it. So this is pretty big. And Trader Joe is a platform token on the Avalanche, Trader Joe, DEX, and having Binance listing this is a pretty big news. So they are listing it, and that's today. And sorry, that's tomorrow. It will open tomorrow. But the price of Joe already reflected this. So when the news broke out, it went from 2.15 cents all the way up to 2.6. So this happened overnight while I was sleeping. So when I woke up, the price of Joe was at 2.5-ish. So I sort of aped in at there, right there, 2.5. I put in $555 into it, and not so good because Joe sort of went back down and it's not trading at 236. So I think what I'm gonna do is I will actually, so if I sell my Joe right now, I get $516. So that's a pretty big loss. So I think I'm gonna do it right now. 516 point, let's see, 0.636. All right. So I'm gonna take a loss on that, and I want to switch it directly to time. I am going to invest in time, and this will allow me to average into time. If you look at the price of time, it's been dropping quite a bit from its high of 4,400. So it dropped like almost $1,000 in like a few days. So right now it's sitting at this right here, 3,627, and there is room for downfall, right? So there is a support somewhere down here at 3,500s, but if you look at it, it's not so safe because there is a giant bottom here that for this gap to fill, which is at 2,900, almost 3,000 price. So this is a risky play, but I think I'm gonna put my money in there into time at this point of time at 3,600 because I want to get in and get the rebases, get those APYs in. So let's see. I'm just waiting for this approval to finish, and then when I click on here, it should say well, give it a second for this thing to load, and we'll wait for, there it is. So I have Joe, and I want to trade it to time. So at this price, I'll get 0.142316 time back. So I'm gonna swap it right now. And I'm gonna change my gas fee to a bit lower so I can save some money on the gas fee. So I am going to swap the time, which is 3624-ish. So I actually bought time earlier today at 3668, but it's dropped since then. So I'm gonna make a new trade here, and I'm gonna stake my time. So I already have 0.1515 time in there, so I'm gonna stake even more. Oh, what does it say? 0.1515. I should have 0.293 total. Okay, let me refresh this. I guess there was some slippage. Okay, I guess I haven't staked my time before that. That's crazy. Okay, so let's go in at, you know what, I'm just gonna delete this. We're gonna stake this much time into it, and then we're gonna stake it. Gonna save some money fee, and then I'm gonna make it a 10, and then go here. So in total, I have 0.2937 time in there, 0.2937 time. So at the current price of 3624. So let's see. So let's do some math. 0.293746 times the current price of time, 3624. So that's about $1,064. So I have $1,064 in there at the average price of 36.24. So I lost some money up there when I bought in earlier, but I will make this my entry, 1,064. So yeah, I lost a few bucks here. So this will be 516 minus 555. So I lost $39 here. So that's a bummer on Joe because I aped in too late. But now I am in time. I have 0.2937 this, and then a total of $1,064 invested in this. So this is our journey right now. So I am in time, and that's all I have. Everything is in time. It's in state, and we'll see how this goes because we would like the price of time to go up. And since we got out of Joe, we're completely out of Joe. So let's hope that the price go back up to like 4,400s again. I really don't want to see a drop, but if it does, then whatever. We're just gonna take the 9% 5-day APY, and hopefully that'll offset our base cost basis. So that is it for this episode with this update. So if you guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about my move? I also asked you guys on Twitter, what should I ape into? And you guys seem to all agree that time is something I aped into. So I did bought time because of that. All right, this is a total degenerate move. I hope you guys don't really follow exactly what I do. It's dangerous, so keep an eye out. Let's see what happens next. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for subscribing and like and comments, please. Have a nice day, guys.